This is Susan from Stuart Design. Today I'm going to show you a tip and trick in Photoshop using your hue and saturation. Just recently someone asked me, how do you in Photoshop get a black and white image and just a portion of the image is in color? Well, there's a really great way of doing that, and that's through your hue and saturation. If you go into, right now I have my layers up. If you go down to this symbol that looks like a yin and yang, it's actually your adjustment layer, but I like to call it the yin and yang symbol. But if you go to your adjustment layer, go all the way down to hue and saturation. Now an adjustment window pops up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to saturation and desaturate that photograph. Desaturating the photograph just means that it's taking the color out of the photograph. Now with every layer, with every adjustment layer, you get a actual layer. Within that layer, if you see I'm clicking on and off that layer, within that layer you have a layer mask. Now I can draw inside of that layer mask. Now I'm going to go ahead and get a brush, and I think this is big enough. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and draw on that layer mask with the brush, and you see whatever I draw on that actual layer mask makes things transparent. Basically, it takes away whatever I've done on that layer with the hue and saturation and shows the layer that's underneath. In this case, it's the boat layer. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. There's a lot of different ways of doing this. You can make a selection and then fill it with black, but in this case I'm just using my brush tool to kind of use this effect. So anyway, that is how you go ahead and do a black and white photograph, and one portion of your photograph is in color. So thanks for tuning in, and hope you learned something. This is Susan from Stuart Design LLC. Bye.